Hi, I'm Jill Dumasnell and I will be your instructor for Math 105 this semester. This is an online course located in Blackboard that does not require any live or synchronous meeting times. Such courses are called asynchronous courses. The purpose of this video is to briefly go over the course syllabus. A syllabus is a document that outlines the processes, procedures, and policies for a course. It will answer most operational questions about how the course will work. To get to our course syllabus, log on to Blackboard at classes.alaska.edu using your UA credentials. Please pause the video to do that now. Once logged into Blackboard, you will see a list of your current courses. When you click on Math S105 JD1, you will land on the announcements page for this course. I will post multiple announcements to this page each week. The most recent announcement will always be on top, but be sure to read all of the announcements as they will contain important information for your work in the course. On the left side of the page, notice there is a list of links. The course syllabus is the second link. Click on the course syllabus now. Scrolling through, we see that this syllabus is divided into 4 main sections. The first section is called Class Logistics. This section gives particulars about the class meetings and instructor information. The second main heading is Course Information. Here you will find detailed information about the course, its prerequisites, textbooks, software, student learning outcomes, etc. The third section is called Expectations and Grading. This section details course procedure, student responsibilities, homework, test dates, and grading information. The last section is called Other Important Information, and it contains UAS-specific information about dates, the Learning Center, accommodations, student code of conduct, student ratings, non-discrimination, and Title IX. Let's go back to the first page and look at some specific details. Here you will find instructor information, including my contact information. Faculty office hours are regularly scheduled times when an instructor is available to meet with you outside of class to discuss questions or concerns you may have about the course or the course material. It's very helpful if you make an appointment with your instructor so that they expect you and can both prepare for the appointment and let you know if there is a change in their schedule. I use a Google appointment calendar for scheduling student appointments. All UA students have a Google account associated with their university enrollment. Simply log into this account using your @alaska.edu email address and password. Once you are signed in, you will have access to my appointment calendar via the link shown on the syllabus. This link will also be present on every email message that I send to you. When you click on my calendar link, you will see my available appointment times. Look for a time that fits your schedule and open that time slot. The appointment will be automatically created as a Zoom appointment. If you want to meet face-to-face or at a time that is not listed, please let me know and I will try to accommodate your request. When you click Save on the appointment, you will appear on my calendar and email confirmations will be sent to you and to me. Moving down to the course information section, note that the textbook is free online and I've linked the appropriate sections to read in the weekly content folders. Also notice that you will purchase your subscription to the Newton Alta software when you click on the first homework assignment. Your account will be automatically created and you will be prompted to enter a debit or credit card number. The Newton Alta software utilizes adaptive learning technology to deliver a personalized learning environment. Alta provides just-in-time instruction and remediation when you are struggling with an assignment. Therefore, some assignments, when you already know the material, go very quickly, and other assignments will take longer to complete. It's important to avoid guessing when you don't know an answer, because guessing confuses the software and interferes with Alta's ability to assess your knowledge level. In general, guessing leads to long assignment experiences. Instead of guessing, click for more instruction when you don't know how to work a problem. Many students expect that an online or distance course will be easier and take less time than a traditional face-to-face course. This is an incorrect assumption. In fact, it takes more time, discipline, and effort to take an online course. You must work independently on your own to stay on track. In general, for a 4-credit course without live meeting times, you should expect to spend a minimum of 12 hours per week working on the course material. This includes time spent reading the assigned textbook sections, watching the posted videos, taking and reviewing notes, and working on the homework assignments. You will score 100% on an assignment as long as you master the assignment objectives by the posted due date. Due dates are clearly posted on each assignment and fall on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday by 11:59 p.m. Alaska time. To emphasize due dates, they are also color-coded by day. Monday due dates are highlighted pink, Tuesday dates are orange, Thursday dates are highlighted in blue, and Friday dates appear in purple highlight. If you have issues seeing color, the due dates are also spelled out by day, date, and time. Late homework is accepted upon mastery, up to 1 week late, with a 5% deduction per day late. Be sure to keep a notebook or 3-ring binder with each homework problem written and worked out. Even though the homework is online, you are not intended to work the problems without writing them down. Completing the homework by the posted due dates comprises 50% of your final course grade. There will be 4 midterm exams or tests and 1 comprehensive final exam. These exams will be taken online and will require the downloading a lockdown browser application. Unfortunately, the lockdown browser application is not supported by the Chrome operating system, so tests for this course cannot be taken on Chromebooks. If you are using a Chromebook for the course, you will need to make alternate arrangements to take the tests. There is a test review center in Newton to assist with preparation for the tests. Adaptive review assignments corresponding to the topics and objectives on the tests are automatically generated in the Test Review Center. These review assignments are personalized to your individual learning history and can be filtered by past mastery on the related topics. The Test Review Center is located at the very bottom of the course content page. Please note the exam schedule provided and plan accordingly. The average of the 4 midterm exams counts as 30% of your course grade, and the comprehensive final exam counts as the remaining 20% of the grade. I've already mentioned earlier the section on other important information. You should carefully read this section of the syllabus. It obviously contains information that is important for students. You will want to keep a copy of the syllabus for easy review throughout the semester. If you have questions about the syllabus or what it means, please contact me.